Hello, we are Carbonly, a carbon emissions calculator and reduction tool. As a business, understanding the value of your sustainability efforts is crucial. Easily assess the ROI of your sustainability efforts on our website. Gain insights into potential cost savings and carbon reduction. Once you're ready to begin, I'll guide you through the product. Introducing Carbonly, a free carbon emission software tailored for small and medium businesses. Our intuitive design ensures a seamless experience. Start by updating the necessary information during onboarding to calculate your emissions. Enter basic company details like name, industry, and employee count. Next, provide information about your facilities, whether local or nationwide. Include details on your manufacturing sites, offices, supply chain, and logistics. After entering this, proceed to the Scope 1 emissions section, detailing stationary fuel, vehicle, and refrigerant use. We know exact data might be unavailable, but you can estimate based on utility bills and fuel records. You can refine this data later for accuracy. Next, move to Scope 2 emissions. Input data on electricity, steam, heating, and cooling consumption, selecting applicable units. After clicking Continue, review a summary of your data so far. Click Finish Setup to view an overview of your business emissions. Access the dashboard to see emissions by type and trends by source and vendor. Dive deeper into any scope section for detailed emissions analysis. Examine Scope 2 emissions based on your data to identify emission hotspots and sources. Using updated emission factors ensures data accuracy. To share this information with stakeholders or suppliers, simply enter their email address. Our system auto-populates data for sharing. Select a date range, click Share Emissions, and your data reaches your business partner. Download reports in the Reports section by choosing the type. For instance, select the GHG Protocol Compliance Report, choose the format and time frame, specify facilities, and generate your report to share with others. Our reduction section focuses on sustainable emission reduction. We partner with vendors for renewable and efficient energy solutions and offer green loans for emission reduction projects through our lending partners. Explore sections for detailed emissions breakdown and trends. You can update information anytime via settings to keep your data updated. Use Carbonly to achieve sustainability and ESG goals, guiding you towards net zero. Thank you for watching.